Another way to demonstrate the effect of salt on water is to take some crushed ice and some salt. I've got here about 50 milliliters of pickling salt and crushed ice and my thermometer. I'll add some of the pickling salt to the ice and then mix it with the ice. Add a bit more of it. Let's add the rest of it. My temperature right now is about -8 degrees Celsius. Now notice I'm not stirring with my thermometer in this case because the thermometer is not strong enough. I'm using a glass rod. You could use a spoon or anything else to actually stir the mixture. And my temperature now is about -12 degrees Celsius. The ice actually has a lower freezing point in the presence of salt. And so we can lower the temperature of ice by actually adding salt to that. We do that, of course, in the wintertime to melt the ice on the roads. By adding some salt to the roads, we lower the freezing point of the ice or of water, which means then that as long as the temperature of the road is close to 0 degrees Celsius, the ice that's on the road will actually melt. We can get it down to much lower temperatures depending on how much of the salt we actually add. Adding salt to a road is only effective if the temperature hovers between 0 and -5 degrees or so. If it gets much colder, then you need an awful lot of salt to melt the ice. Home ice cream makers also use this effect to cool down the ice cream. You mix some salt with ice around the inner vessel to then cause the cooling effect to make the ice cream.